This is the real college experience. In downtown Tempe, a kinetic, thriving student community, a campus with opportunities around every corner, world-class theater, sports, and art spaces, and the excitement only found at the center of Arizona State University. Welcome to ASU's College of Integrative Sciences and Arts on the Tempe campus. A place for interdisciplinary discovery, applied professional studies, and counseling excellence at the heart of the nation's most innovative university. Here, prepare for your career beyond the classroom with dynamic research, practical hands-on experiences, local internships, and real-world projects creating real-world solutions. On this campus, CISA students think, do, and learn in a welcoming, community-focused environment. Unlock your potential and feel at home at CISA's Tempe campus.